and manipulate objects such as a coin in a piggy bank or a soccer ball in a goal. They even outperform dogs in a joystick video game designed for chimpanzees. Pigs have proven themselves to be as smart, if not smarter, than dogs. But pigs are not the only farm animal that can learn. Hens can learn from watching television. In this clip here, a hen is presented with a yellow food bowl, but the hen selects the red bowl because the hens on TV had eaten from the red bowl. This is a simple demonstration of intelligence. The question is not can they reason, nor can they talk, but can they suffer?